Let's get some information on this pelvic floor exercise device. The multifunctional thigh trainer is designed specifically for women. It is made of PP, TPE, and high-strength springs. It effectively exercises the thighs, abdomen, arms, and back. Whether you want to enhance core strength or sculpt slender legs, this leg trainer meets your needs. This pelvic floor exercise device can easily monitor your workout with the LED display and track the number of times you've exercised, time, estimated calories burnt, giving you a complete picture of your exercise. This thigh trainer offers excellent elasticity and anti-slip performance. The enlarged fitting surface ensures stability and effectiveness. For its price range, I highly recommend this device.